Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix something went wrong on Facebook. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply go back to your home screen, and let me tell you that it's a network problem. So what you have to do is just simply tap on settings and then tap on Wi-Fi if you are using Wi-Fi, and you have to forget the password of Wi-Fi, then go back. And if you are using mobile data, then you have to tap on SIM card and mobile network, and what you have to do is just simply tap on that SIM which you are using for network data. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on preferred network type, and you have to check on 4G auto, and you have to tap on access point names and then tap on three dots, and from here you have to reset to default your network setting, then go back. And from here you have to tap on apps. So you have to search for Facebook and tap on notification and make sure that you have allowed all the notifications to Facebook. Then tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the permission from here. So if you don't, then you have to allow all the permissions to Facebook. After allowing all the permission, go back, and from here you have to tap on storage and cache, then clear cache and clear storage, and then go back and then tap on force stop and tap on OK. After doing this, minimize this page and go to Play Store and make sure that you have updated version of Facebook. So if it's appear here update, then you have to update this one. It's appearing here open, so I have already updated version. So again open this page and you have to uninstall your Facebook from here, and after that you have to restart your phone and then reinstall the Facebook app, and I will continue. After doing these all the things, your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.